Hi, great day to all. Today I'm going to do review new arrival Choseal speaker cable. This is Choseal speaker cable. Okay, LB5110 2.5 meter. Audio video high grade cable from China. But actually it's not from China. Our Malaysian supplier also got this cable, okay, from PJ itself. So this one I bought from Lazada on sale. Okay, so let me do unboxing first. Audiophile Hi-Fi speaker cable. Okay, it's got handle also. This cable actually is really cheaper. I bought in Lazada. Actually I bought around 150 something only. But this cable original price is about 400 something. Okay. Very high durable material and it's very high quality. Okay, careful with your knife. Actually, okay. The packing is very nice. Okay, it's a 2.5 meter. It's really thick OFC speaker cable with banana plug, 24 karat gold, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. You can check in the Google if you're really interested. Okay. Tomorrow I will do another review after I install this speaker cable. I hope it's really fine sound came out from this speaker cable. Okay, you will see the cable is very thick and very nice. Okay. Okay, see you guys in our next session. Okay, I will install again and then I do review after installation in speaker system. Hopefully the sound is really good sound. I hope so. It's from China, but it's really high quality. Really recommended to everyone out there. Kaki audio system. You better get this one.